Right now, your eyes are doing something incredible. They're taking in light, flipping it upside down, converting it to electrical signals, and sending it to your brain, which reconstructs everything into the world you see. All of this happens in milliseconds. Your eyes are biological supercomputers, and you barely even notice them working. Let's take a closer look. Your eye is basically a sophisticated camera. Light enters through the cornea, which bends it. It passes through the pupil, the black hole in the center. The iris, the color part, controls how much light gets in. Then the lens focuses the light onto the retina at the back, which contains 130 million light-sensitive cells. Your pupil can change size in less than a second. In bright light, it shrinks to about 2 millimeters. In darkness, it can expand to 8 millimeters, letting in 30 times more light. This happens automatically. Your eyes are constantly adjusting without you even thinking about it. Try shining a light in your eye and watch it shrink. Here's something weird. The image that lands on your retina is completely upside down and backwards. Your lens flips everything. But you don't see the world inverted because your brain automatically flips it right side up. Scientists have actually made people wear glasses that flip their vision. And after a few days, their brains adapted. Vision is really a brain trick. Your retina has 2 types of light-detecting cells. Rods are super sensitive and help you see in low light, but they only see black and white. You have about 120 million of them. Cones detect color but need more light. You have about 6 million cones, mostly concentrated in the center of your vision. That's why your peripheral vision is colorless at night. You only have 3 types of cones, sensitive to red, green, and blue light. Yet from these 3, your brain mixes every color you've ever seen. Millions of colors from just 3 sensors. It's like having only 3 paint colors, but being able to paint the entire rainbow. Some women actually have 4 types of cones and can see 100 million colors. About 8% of men and 0.5% of women are colorblind. Usually, it means one type of cone doesn't work properly. Most commonly, people can't distinguish red from green. It's not that they see in black and white. They just see those colors differently. Dogs, by the way, see similar to a red-green colorblind person. Your dog doesn't know that ball is red. You have a hole in your vision right now, and you can't see it. Where your optic nerve connects to your retina, there are no light-detecting cells. It's a blind spot about the size of a nickel at arm's length. Your brain just fills it in with surrounding information. You can find it with a simple test. Close one eye, focus on something, and move your finger until it disappears. Even when you think your eyes are perfectly still, they're making tiny movements called microsaccades, 3 to 4 times every second. If your eyes actually stopped moving, your vision would fade to gray in seconds because your neurons stop responding to unchanging images. Your eyes move to keep the world visible. Stillness would mean blindness. Your eye can detect a candle flame from 10 miles away on a dark night. Light-sensitive cells can respond to a single photon, and your brain processes visual information in just 13 milliseconds, faster than the blink of an eye, which takes 300 milliseconds. Speaking of blinking, you blink about 20,000 times a day, and your brain edits out the blackouts. If your eye were a camera, it would be about 576 megapixels. That's way more than any phone camera. But here's the catch. Only the very center of your vision is that sharp. The rest is blurry, and your brain fills in the details. You don't see in high definition everywhere, just where you're looking directly. Optical illusions aren't tricks on your eyes, they're tricks on your brain. Your brain takes shortcuts to process visual information quickly, and sometimes those shortcuts backfire. Lines that look different lengths are the same. Colors that look different are identical. Shapes that seem to move are completely still. Illusions reveal how your brain actually constructs reality. Stare at a bright color for 30 seconds, then look at a white wall. you'll see the opposite color. This is called an afterimage. When you stare at something, those cone cells get tired and stop responding. When you look away, the tired cells stay quiet while the others fire, creating a ghost image in complementary colors. Your eyes literally get color fatigued. It takes about 30 minutes for your eyes to fully adapt to darkness. Your pupils dilate and your rods become more sensitive through a chemical called rhodopsin. But one flash of bright light resets everything. That's why pirates supposedly wore eye patches, not because they lost an eye, but to keep one eye always adapted for below-deck darkness. Eye color is determined by how much melanin you have in your iris. Brown eyes have the most melanin. Blue eyes actually have no blue pigment at all. They look blue for the same reason the sky looks blue: light scattering. Green eyes are a mix. And here's a fact. All blue-eyed people share a common ancestor who lived about 6,000 to 10,000 years ago. Some people have two different colored eyes. It's called heterochromia, and it affects less than 1% of people. It can be complete, where each eye is a totally different color, or partial, where one eye has two colors. It's usually harmless and can be inherited. Some celebrities have it, and it's considered rare and beautiful. You produce 3 types of tears. Basal tears keep your eyes constantly lubricated. Reflex tears flush out irritants like onion vapors or dust. Emotional tears are chemically different and contain stress hormones. That's why crying actually makes you feel better. Your eyes are constantly crying, just a little bit, to keep themselves healthy. Human eyes are impressive, but some animals have superpowers. Eagles can see 8 times farther than humans. Mantis shrimp have 16 types of color receptors compared to our 3. Cats have a reflective layer that makes their eyes glow and doubles their light sensitivity. And the giant squid has the largest eyes in the animal kingdom, as big as dinner plates. Time to bust some myths. Reading in dim light doesn't damage your eyes. It just strains them temporarily. Carrots are good for eyes, but won't give you supervision. That was World War II propaganda. Sitting too close to the TV doesn't cause permanent damage. And wearing glasses doesn't make your eyes weaker. Your prescription would change anyway. Your eyes are precious, so protect them. UV light from the sun can damage them, so wear sunglasses. Blue light from screens causes strain, so take breaks. Rubbing your eyes too hard can actually harm them. And get regular checkups, because many eye diseases have no symptoms until it's too late. Your future self will thank you for taking care of them now. Your eyes are doing something miraculous right now, converting photons into electrical signals, sending them through a nerve made of 1,000,000 fibers to a brain that reconstructs the entire visible world in real time. Sight is so common we forget how incredible it is. Take a moment to appreciate the wonder of seeing. Thanks for watching with your amazing eyes.